Hello, welcome back. I'm Cutie Lucy. Today, I'm super excited to share the Maybelline Everyday Makeup Starter Kit. At first, we are going to complexion. If you want light coverage like BB cream for everyday makeup, check out Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. It is $14. It combines BB cream with primer, concealer, and highlighter. The finish is a little soft, glowy, and healthy. It comes in 8 different shades. For a bronzer, you can use it too. If you want to use it as a bronzer, you should choose a shade that is slightly darker than your foundation shade. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you will be notified all of my future uploads. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadow. If you love single eyeshadow, check out Maybelline Expert Wet Eyeshadow. This is $5. As an eyeshadow base color, the best shade is Linen. It is matte finish. Made for mocha shade is a great choice for eye contour. It is matte finish too. If you are looking for a shimmer color, check out the Glow Down shade. If you are looking for 1-in-10 eyeshadow powder, the best option is Tannin Gray shade. If you like a minimal eyeshadow palette, check out Maybelline Eyeshadow Blocks. This is $13.50. This includes matte eyeshadow base, shimmer, and matte contour color. Note that a Buff Elf is the best option for natural eye look. 80-second and Buff Elf is for pink eyeshadow lovers. And now last but not least, if you are looking for clingy eyebrows, check out the Maybelline Fit Eyebrow. The price is $15. You can easily add a tiny stroke, and then you can use a sealing gel from the other side. It comes in 6 different shades. I added 2 BB creams, one as a foundation, one as a bronzer, 3 eyeshadows, one for base, one for contour, one for shimmer, and 1 eyebrow into my Maybelline Essential Makeup Kit with 6 products. So if you count eyeshadow as 3, yes, it becomes 12 products. If you want a long-lasting version, I am planning to make the next video as a full makeup category. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe Cutie Lucy's channel. In the next video, I will explain to you how I add some new products to elevate full makeup. Let me give you an example for full makeup. Full makeup could be for a dinner, or a date, or attending a wedding that are relaxing enough time to prepare your makeup. See you at the Maybelline Full Makeup category. Thank you for watching. I'm Cutie Lucy. Please like and subscribe Cutie Lucy's channel for Maybelline Full Makeup Kit in the next video. If you are new to my channel, here is a short version. If you are looking for liquid blusher that includes blush and highlighter, check out the Maybelline Sunkisser multi-use liquid blushers and bronzer. For lipstick, if you are looking for long-lasting matte lipstick, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid is a great choice. After that, the concealer. The best option is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer for all skin types. But if you have oily under eyes, then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer might be a better option for you. For the setting powder, one that I think could work for everybody is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. If you want your skin to be a little bit more coverage while still setting it with a powder, the best option is Maybelline Superstay. If you have very oily skin and you need something that is going to be mattifying, you should choose the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. For mascara, Maybelline Sky High Mascara is the best option. For lip gloss, the Maybelline Lip Dark Glosses is the best option. The liquid blusher, lipstick, concealer, powder, mascara, and lip gloss are included in my essential makeup category. They are explained detailed in the previous part 1 video. I will link below and at the right corner of this video. Bye!